Think investing is only for Wall Street pros? You're leaving serious money on the table, my friend. If you're a young adult, a new grad, or even crushing it with a side hustle, getting your money to actually work for you feels overwhelming. What if I told you the absolute best ways to start building real wealth are simpler than you think? We're cutting through the noise today to show you 5 investments perfect for beginners in the US. The biggest challenge isn't finding money, it's knowing where to even begin without feeling lost. So let's simplify. First, snag free cash with your 401k employer match. That's literally free money. Next, open a Roth IRA for tax free growth in retirement, a huge win for young people. Then, for effortless diversification, invest in an S&P 500 index fund. You're buying a piece of America's biggest companies. Fourth, for hands-off management, check out robo-advisors. They build and manage your portfolio. Finally, your financial safety net, a high-yield savings account. It's not investing, but it's crucial before you dive in. These are your bedrock. Ready to put these